Hello friends, welcome to Bull Market Updates. In today's video, we are going to talk about NTPC Limited, which is a large cap company and with a good financial background. In this video, we are going to understand that what should be an investor point of view while investing in this particular stock and whether it should be a beneficial for a trader for upcoming days or not. So let's understand and go ahead, jump it directly onto the price of the stock. So currently the stock price is 113.55, which is fairly a good price. If you see the different ratios of the stock, you will be surprised to know that the current PB ratio is pretty low, that is 0.90, and when we see the sector PB ratio, that is 2.56. So the price of the stock is very ideal for investing. And if you see the PE ratio is also very low as compared to the sector PE, so that is also a upside when it comes to investing. If we talk about dividend yield, the company has been giving dividends from a longer period of time, and if we see some other details as well, which I would like to share it with you. Let's go and check the financials of the company. Let's go there and let me pull up the page. Thank you. Okay, so let's understand some of the financial details. If you see the revenue, you can see increase in revenue on every financial year. That is a good sign for a healthy company. If you see EBITDA margins fall for this particular year, but it is standing strong in this year. That is why we have a rise in net profit because of the EBITDA margins. EBITDA margins basically is how much margin do you have on your product or services in general, so that you'll be able to understand. The net income has been also rising. The EPS fall, but that is understandable because due to COVID and some circumstances it has fallen down to 11.72, but compared to previous years it's still rising. The payout ratio has also fallen, but that's okay. Seeing the current scenario and the company's performance, we can ignore that. So if we see the forecast, I'm using ticker tape right now. You can also use this particular screener. It's a very good app from Zerodha, and you can use it to check different stock, and I also use it sometimes. So let's go and check the forecast of the company, which is very interesting. I'll make you see that what benefits do we have here. So right now we can see that there are three forecasts. Right now the highest point that the stock can go up to, that is 170, so almost a 50% target can be achieved. And if you see the median, that is 146, and if you see the lowest point, that is 108. So if you are investing in a stock 113, and if from the technical analysis perspective and from the fundamental analysis perspective, it can go maximum down up to 108 and increase maximum to 170. That is almost a difference of 57 rupees here and just 5 rupees here. So almost 1:10 is the ratio of the profit and loss that can happen. Obviously these numbers are vague, and sometimes the emotional IQ of the investors are different from technical analysis and different kinds of analysis, but in terms of number, things are looking pretty healthy and you can look for an investment. If you are looking for an investment, what I would give you a target, I'll share you some of the details. That what I personally believe is that if you are looking for it for in order to invest for a shorter period of time, it's a good stock to invest for a shorter period of time as well. So I will provide you a target of 125, somewhere around 120 to 125 you can achieve easily in coming weeks, I would say. So we can expect that within 2 weeks to a month you can expect this price to go up to that level, and you don't need to put a stop loss, but even if you want to, you can put it on 106. I would suggest that we should have some margin for the stop loss as well. So it's a good company to invest in. It's a large cap company providing dividends every quarter, and the profit are also rising, so it's a good company, I would suggest. If you compare it with the peers, I'll show you some additional data as well, so you'll be happy to know that what kind of difference it's creating. So let's go to the peers, and peers basically means comparing it to different stocks from the same industry. So let's go. So if you see here, currently the stock price is almost same from almost a longer period of time. And if you see Adani Power, that is currently not having a good time, and also JSW Energy, that has already risen up a lot, but NTPC is still being the underdog. So it is the right time to invest in this company because you can see quite a good rise in this company. I would expect 5 to 10% return in few months only, so that's a good entry point. And if you see about red flags, there are no such red flags for the company. And if you see the care ratings of the stock, that is also stable, so that is also a good thing. So all the bonds and the bonds that it has issues, all sort of things are under a stable category, so that is also a good thing. And if you see in terms of the golden crossover, it has happened somewhere around in February, so we can see a long term impact of that, and we can see the prices going up to 130. So that's all for the today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you understand Hindi better, we also have a Hindi channel in the description below. Have a good day ahead.